file sharing safety and what you need to know about peer-to-peer file sharing. It has become necessary to send materials through technology such as the computer or a cell phone to colleagues, students, and peers. However, it is highly important people must follow certain rules and guidelines when sharing types of files, how to send them, and how to receive them. First off is, why is file sharing safety important? As an educator, it is important because you must protect you and your students from downloading harmful content and releasing any personal information online. Although technology has played a huge role in benefiting work and even school, it is important to know what is to be done and what not to be done online. How to avoid the risk. There are many risks when it comes to file sharing. Maybe it's illegal downloading of video games or even going on websites that are not safe for students. But it's important for you to know the precautions so that you can teach your students on what to avoid and how to protect them from them. So, do not send any sensitive information through. That could mean your address or any social security number or anything that is personal that someone could use against you. Install a firewall. Firewalls are used to protect your computer from any viruses or any harmful content. Take precaution when interacting with suspicious files. This could be anything from spam mail or anything that your friends might send to you just to mess with your computer. Make sure you verify sources before downloading or following links, especially video games. Now, many kids are wanting to play video games on their computers, but when it's time for class time, students could be getting on some very dangerous websites and could ruin their classwork. Avoid bad files such as .wma files and EDCI files. Files with these last 3 characters on both of these could contain bad information or viruses. In explaining file sharing safety to your students, make sure you inform your students what file sharing is, and start by telling them the different programs that they can and cannot use. Make sure you replicate good file sharing safety so that they can go with you. And show students how to avoid the risk by following the steps up here. Thank you.